Hey there. Hello fans. I do have a GoPro Hero 10 here, and I want to use this thing as a webcam today. For that I open this thing on the side here and take the lid off, and then I have connected to my computer here this USB-C, and I plug this into the side of the camera, and then what happens is the camera basically starts charging. And then what I do is I bend it around like this. Oh, I pushed the record button by accident. I don't know what it does. I'm going to turn it on. See, it turns on. Here. Connected. And then I put it up here next to my camera, next to my do you see here on the right, that's the GoPro here in front of my webcam, the computer camera, right? So that's where I put that. And then we have the software here. See that GoPro Webcam app? Do you see up here? There's the webcam app there, but it's not on. So the camera has to be turned on. I'm turning the camera on now. See what happens. Nothing. Maybe I have to turn the camera on first and then connect USB. Oh, camera is set to video. And then I plug it in. Now it says USB connected. And then here it's blue. Show preview. There it is in here. Look at this. There it is. Now we do flip so that it is at the same orientation as that. Okay, see. Now you can see this one has to be a little bent more. Like that maybe. It's too much. This is like almost the same thing. You see here on my shot there's a fuzz from the dog, like a dog hair. And on that side, on the GoPro side, it looks super bad. The quality is crazy bad. So the Apple 5K here, we go this a little bit over so that the stripe on the side goes away. There's on the side here, there. Little stripe here. So the Apple 5K has a 1080p camera in it, 1080p, and the GoPro is in 1080p, because when we look here into the app, digital lens, we have wide, narrow, and linear. So we are on narrow for the webcam. Preferences here for this camera here is 1080p. We can do it at 720. What does that do? Oh no! No, we don't want to restart this. For this action, you need to restart what? You must quit and relaunch this app. I don't know if that would do any good. 720. Relaunch. Kaboom, kaboom. Did it relaunch? Okay, and then we show preview. So, is this any better or worse? 720p? It's not as good, I would say. And there would be an unfair comparison now that we have 1080 on the right and 720 on the left. So let's undo that quick. Okay, so we are here in this software. Preferences. It is, go back to 1080p, apply, relaunch, and then on this launcher here, we say show preview. There's a 1080 picture again, and we need to flip it, that we have the both on the same side. So colors on the Mac side better, there is no question about it. On the GoPro side not so good. So I don't know for sure if we do something with this if that is better. So, and on this computer it doesn't make sense, let's say that, to use a GoPro as a GoPro here. Does not make sense. Absolutely not. Okay. It was just a test. You know, I would have expected this on the GoPro side to be a lot better. You can't have everything. Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna stop this thing, and thanks for watching, and I hope this gives you some insight on something.